Hi all, this is Queenie Lume and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be 5 quick styles that you can do with your locks. So for all of these hairstyles, the only things that I'll be using are bobby pins and these elastics. Okay, let's get right to it. So this is a style that I recently posted on my Instagram and everyone seemed to like it, so I'm going to show you how I do it. So this is my messy kind of updo that I've been wearing my hair like. I actually really like it. Doesn't put too much tension on my hair. It only takes like 1 or 2 bobby pins. And my hair is pretty thick, so 1 or 2 bobby pins is good for me. You know, I think a style should also be judged by how difficult or easy it is to take it out. So I like this style because it's pretty easy to just take out the 2 bobby pins. Okay, so that was style number 1. Let's get into style number 2. And really quickly, before we get into style number 2, just so everyone knows, we're both working from home. So if you hear, you know, ice crunching in the background, ice crunching in the background, a cough, a giggle, that's my husband. Okay, next style. Oh, that's pretty cute. Can this be a style by itself? No. Okay, style number 2. Okay guys, I'm gonna call this style number 2 because I think a messy bun is an art form. I think it should be counted as a style because I'm still doing something with my hair. Okay, number 3.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight from my soul.
Okay, and then I just take 1 bobby pin.
I think it's all angels just walk by.
So this is my Dutch milkmaid braid. This is actually the first time I successfully made this top braid without it being super thick, and I'm definitely gonna wear my hair like this more often. So if you have any comments about any of these hairstyles, any that you like more, any different styles that you think I should try out, let me know in the comment section below. So that is number 3. Okay. Okay, so here's number 4. So rather than doing 2 cornrows down the side, I'm trying to do 2 French braids. This is pretty hard for me because I almost always end up doing a cornrow instead of a French braid, but I think I got the hands right to make this a French braid instead. Yay, I did it! Nice, okay. Yay, I did it. So yeah, I'm gonna put 1 band around both of them because if I don't, I look like Pippi Longstockings. So this is style number 4. So none of these styles should take you really more than 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so let's jump into the 5th and final style. So this is the style. I'm going to attempt to do the style that I put my hair in for the wedding that I just went to. So we'll see if that's possible. Okay, first, I'm going to have to put it all on one side, so bear with me, guys. Okay, so because I just did my retie, like literally I finished yesterday, I can't like flip my hair over like this and it won't sit right. So I can't show you how I did that wedding hairstyle because I was going to do that one. So instead, I'm just going to freestyle. So let's see what we come up with. Okay, so this is my style number 5. It's a half up, half down, and I like it's a little bit asymmetrical. You can see my ends, and I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, so those are my 5 easy styles that you can basically do in 2 minutes with your MICROLOCS. So I really wanted to try and switch it up this time. So if you guys like this video compared to my other videos, if you have any questions, any comments, of course, just leave that in the comment section below, as always. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, make sure to like the video below. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.